finish until somebody gets pinned. Okay. Okay? It's gonna require more. Do not stop, do not hesitate. Do not just stop. Keep going. Alright. I want to see that on camera. That's all explosive. You see that? Yeah. Like, watch, come, let's go again. Look. You see that? Yeah. That's what you have to do. I'm not even think anymore. You see, before I was like,
right.
So you just see what I'm teaching you. But this is real wrestling right here. You see this? Let's see if you can work under pressure. I'm gonna kick it up a little. Okay. Really bad, unbalanced shot. Let's look at that one for sure.